We're going to be looking at Pavan by Faure. Here we go. This is where we'll stop, I guess. So you can watch this first part of the tutorial on YouTube, and we'll cover just the first 4 bars. And if you'd like to continue learning, you visit our website and start your free trial there. If you feel like I've earned your subscription here or at the end of the video, feel free to subscribe and leave us a comment below. Let's begin with the left hand. Right, we have this little broken up triad right here, going up and down. To learn this as fast as possible, what I'd like you to do is learn it in chord form first. Okay, so instead of playing it one by one, you're going to do all 3 notes at the same time, G minor. So there's your first chord, 4, 2, and 1. Next, 5, 3, and 1. You should be doing this as well. Next, 5, 2, and 1. 5, 4, and 1. 5, 2, and 1. 5, 3, and 1. 4, 2, 1. 5, 2, 1. Neck covers the left hand. It's very straightforward here. Once you learn it in chord form and you feel very comfortable with the notes and the positioning and everything, then just break it up and play it one by one, going up and back down. Now here's the next one. Then here's the next one. And then the next one. You see that? So just learn it broken without the right hand. Take some time and learn that, and then come back for the right hand, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Now your thumb moves down to F. 1, 4, and then when you hit the 4, you're kind of in a new position here. 3, 1. That's it. Learn just the notes with the correct fingering, and here it is with the counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right, so you'll notice that everything lines up with something that is said, 1 or and, 2 and, so on and so forth, apart from these fast notes. So we have slow, fast, slow. So this fast note, which occurs 3 times, that's right, is in between the and of a beat and the following number. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So you see it comes right in between. So it doesn't align with something that is said. That's an important point to take away from this. And once you have everything coordinated, the left hand is very straightforward in terms of counting and rhythm. It's just 1 and 2 and 3 and it doesn't change. Just cycled 8th notes. Very straightforward. And slowly now with counting with both hands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 That's it. Pretty straightforward. So visit our website if you'd like to have a look at the rest of the piece. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.